You've probably noticed by now that whenever I refer to loan, I use US dollars. That is because right now, all of our loans are based on US dollar amounts. And we do this because the US dollar is a stable currency. Its value doesn't go up or down very much in a short amount of time. It's also used by just about every country in the world, so it's really familiar. And because it's stable and familiar, that makes it very easy to use. We can send it in one currency, like Thai baht, and receive it in another, like Myanmar Jet. And this means because your loan is based in US dollars, you can receive and repay your loan in pretty much any currency you want. Here, let's look at an example. So this is Mimi Kam, and she's from Myanmar, but she's studying in Thailand. Because she is in Thailand, it makes sense that she needs Thai baht. Her food, rent, transportation, everything that she does and spends money on in Thailand is in Thai baht. So that's what she receives from Zomia. Here you see Mimicom receives 80,000 Thai baht from Zomia, which represents her loan for the year. The exchange rate on the day Mimi received the 80,000 Thai baht is 32 Thai baht to 1 US dollar. This means that it takes 32 Thai baht to buy 1 US dollar. And this means that on this day, the 80,000 Thai baht Mimi received had the same value as, can you guess? It's $2,500. And that's because 80,000 Thai baht divided by 32, which was the exchange rate, is equal to 2,500. So Mimi's loan with Zomia is now recorded as $2,500. Now, let's move to the future. Mimi has finished school, she's working, her grace period is finished, and now she is repaying her loan. Now, her loan is in US dollars, so she needs to repay 2,500 US dollars. The difference is that she is no longer in Thailand. She is back home in Myanmar, and her employer is paying her in Myanmar Jet. Fortunately, this isn't a problem. All we need to know now is the exchange rate between Myanmar Jet and the US dollar. And based on Mimi's income, she will be repaying 75,000 Myanmar Jet each month. So let's see what this looks like. On August 1st, Mimi makes her first 75,000 Myanmar Jet repayment, and the exchange rate on that day is 1,300 Myanmar Jet to 1 US dollar. Now, given the exchange rate, this means that 75,000 Myanmar Jet on this day at 1,300 Myanmar Jet is the same as $57.69. So Mimi's loan balance is now $2,442.31 because all we've done is taken the total amount that she had left to repay and subtracted her monthly payment. And this continues each month. So in September, Mimi makes another 75,000 Myanmar Jet payment. In October, another 75,000 payment. November and December, the same, 75,000 Myanmar Jet payments. Now look closely. Have you noticed that something is changing? It's the amounts in this column and this column that are changing. On August 1st, 1 US dollar was equivalent to 1,300 Myanmar Jet. But in September, you needed 1,350 Myanmar Jet to purchase 1 US dollar, and in October, 1,400. So you can see that the exchange rate here is changing. And with the formula that we used earlier, just dividing the exchange rate by the total payment for the US to get the US dollar amount, you can see that that affects the US dollar payment too. So even though Mimi is repaying the same amount in Myanmar Jet each month, the actual US dollar amount payment that she's making changes from month to month, which affects the total balance that she has due each month. And this is a really important concept to understand. The exchange rate between the currency you use to repay your loan and the US dollar amount will change over time. This is natural and it happens all the time. And this can be a good thing or a not so good thing. It really just depends on the value of the US dollar compared to the currency that you use to make repayments. And that is really why we use US dollars for your loans. Because it is used so much, its price doesn't change that much. And what it means for your loan is that even though you are borrowing in Thai baht, Myanmar Jet, or some other currency, your loan and your loan repayments will actually be converted into US dollars.